Microphone check, 1, 2. What is this? The 5-foot assassin with the roughneck business. Yeah. Welcome, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about how to start your own agency that you can offer business credit and loans to your client base that you may already have, or if you want to start a whole brand new business, then this is the place for you. I'm going to tell you about the different ways that you can make money in business credit and offering loans to businesses, okay? And you're going to be able to follow along with me on the website if you like. Let me share my screen so you can see where we at, all right? All right, I'm going to share my screen. Now, you should be able to see my desktop, right? The computer. This is my website, businesscreditbuilder.us. You can follow along if you'd like, okay? So what we're going to do is go to businesscreditbuilder.us and click on business loans, okay? And my name is Noel A. Booker. I'm the CEO at Business Credit Builder. And what we do at Business Credit Builder is we offer business credit building and a whole stream of loans and business lines and business credit lines, all types of different funding, right? A complete host of different funding options, okay? So if you went to the website, businesscreditbuilder.us, and then you click on business loans, right? This is what you see. And you can scroll down, and these are our funding options, okay? If you can hear me, put in the chat the name of your business and the type of business that you do, all right? Let me know who's here and why y'all are here, all right? Are y'all thinking about being a partner and selling this stuff? Would you like to? You already know. Let me see. Tell me where y'all at in the process, all right? And I'm gonna keep going. Okay. Okay, here we go. So what you're looking at here is all the funding options that we offer. And we offer other services as well that can save businesses money. We're going to go over that, okay? Now, this is kind of complex because I have 3 lending partners, right? And each one you would have to sign up for separately, right? So how this works is like this in general, right? Every situation is different, but in general, this is how it works. You sign up as a partner, right? And you are qualified to offer these services in a white label type of situation, right? That's what I do in a white label type of situation, right? So, and you can do the same, right? Each situation, let's say the best product to sell is like a loan, right? Let's say you get a loan for somebody, right? They didn't click on your link and they got a loan. Well, you will make about 3% of that loan, okay? For that you got the money for your client, and you will get about 3% of what that is. So if you get somebody a loan for $100,000, you make $3,000. Now, each situation is a little different. Some situations you can make double or even more than that, okay? So we're going to go over the 3 different options that we do have, right? I'm going to briefly tell you about it, and I'm going to tell you, if you're interested, the actions to take. Let me see, we got two responses up in here. Let's see what we got here. Lakita, locked in Paris, natural hair studio. Starting a notary business as well. Okay, so you want to branch out and have different types of streams of income, and you're considering different streams of income. Okay, I got you. Sharon is mission services, notary services. That's a coincidence, right? All right. Start a business and looking for more things to offer my future clientele. Okay. Then you're in a good place, right? Because this is something to consider, right? Okay. And you don't need to know this stuff, right? I will tell you my story. My story is I started with Credit Suite, right? So Credit Suite offers business credit and loans, right? And I white label their services under Business Credit Builder, right? That's how we started. If you're looking at the website and the funding options, you see the Business Credit Builder and the list of things underneath that. All those things are offered from Credit Suite, in which I am like a franchise of them, right? So I paid them to be able to sell all of their products white label, right? Okay, and they offer all of these different products. Now, I'm not going to go into every single product because you can drill down into them and see what they are. So when you approach clients, you have to figure out, well, where are they in the process, right? And this is what I like to do, right? Is I like to let my clients know that there are 3 C's. When you're trying to get funding for your business, there's 3 C's, right? What happened to my can? My can went down. Okay. Anyway, so there's 3 C's in funding, right? Credit, collateral, and cash flow. Those are the 3 C's, right? So if you got all 3 C's, then you're in a good place. You can possibly qualify for an SBA loan, which is the best place to get money for your business. Why? Because the SBA loan will give you a whole bunch of money. The interest rate is going to be low as hell. And they spread the terms out over like 30 years. So that's the best place you can get money. But not everybody can qualify for that because they don't have the 3 C's. Or if they got the 3 C's, there are more requirements to satisfy to even be able to qualify for the SBA, right? Now, if you got 2 of the 3 C's, then you could possibly qualify for a term loan, right? If you have 1 of the 3 C's, credit, collateral, cash flow, depending on the one that you do have, then you could possibly qualify for some funding for that. Now, if you don't have any of those 3 C's, then you're starting from scratch. And it is possible to get money for your business starting from scratch with no of the 3 C's. Okay? None of the 3 C's, right? So if you got no credit, you got no collateral, you got no cash flow, you start with business credit. You build up business credit. And as you build your business credit, which is linked to your EIN number, you get access to more and more money. So for a business or a startup business, we have an answer for you no matter what situation you're in. Okay? So, and if we don't have access to funding for you, this is not out there, okay? Because we have access to all different types of products and different funding situations, right? We're like a brokerage firm, right? And your company would be like a brokerage firm because we have hundreds of legitimate lenders and we know exactly what they need to get a client qualified. Okay, we know exactly what they need. So most of my clients that come to me, they can't qualify right at first. So we prepare them to get qualified, depending on the situation, what programs are going to work for you, right? Okay, let's go over some of this stuff. Okay, so I told you about Business Credit Builder. I am like a franchise with Credit Suite, and they trained me on business credit and understanding the different types of loans available for businesses. The guy's name over there is Ty Crandall, right? So he trained me on this, right? And for each situation we have, there's always training. So you're not doing this on your own. There's a formula for each one of these that they have already done, tried and tested it. So it's not like you're just gonna go out there and just start selling and you don't know nothing, right? We have people, each one of these situations has a training situation for you, all right? So with the Business Credit Builder side, what you would do is sign up by scheduling a consult, right? And the consult is at, if you look on the website, right? The consult is right here, the consult button, right? You would go there, schedule a consult, and that would set up an appointment with me, right? And that address is businesscreditbuilder.us/consult. So you got the website, right? businesscreditbuilder.us and /consult. And that's how you schedule, right? Now, let's go over some of the stuff, right? So with the Credit Suite stuff under Business Credit Builder, we have business credit and loans, right? So let's just drill down into that one, right? And see what that looks like, right? So we'll take a look at it. So how we can help. We get business credit for your EIN. We get the high limit revolving business credit accounts with no personal credit checks. We get approved for business credit regardless of cash flow credit or collateral. Monitor your business credit building in real time with our Dun & Bradstreet Business Experience and Business Equifax scores. You can learn how your business credit scores and scores really work to easily control them. So basically, this is the flyer that was given to me from Credit Suite. So you'll get flyers, you'll get all this training materials, right? And you see at the bottom, I just put in my stuff, right? And you could do this for your own business, right? And we'll show you how to get the word out, how to talk about this stuff. Who has this question here? Let's see what we got here. Sharon got a question. Yeah, this is a good place to be. Is white label the same as an affiliate? No. An affiliate is like, you can sell it, but you're going to get the lowest commission, right? White label is meaning that, like, let's say this, right? As an affiliate, the client will call them and they're going to hear that company's business name. Is going to answer that company, right? They're going to answer Credit Suite, right? But when you white label, they won't say that they're Credit Suite because it's like your business, right? So they're just going to be handling the clients like this is your business, right? So that's the difference with the white label thing. The white label is like, you know what I mean? So did I make that clear? I don't know. I don't know if I made that clear or not. My cam keeps going down, huh? Okay. Okay, so did I answer that question, Miss Sharon? Okay, so let's go back. We're going back to the business loans page on, okay, cool. We're going back to the page on the business loans on the website being businesscreditbuilder.us, and we clicked on business loans. So now we're back on that page, right? So we looked at the business credit and the loans. Now we also have this thing called the credit line hybrid program. Okay. So I'm not going to go down into every one of these, but this is like a real good one. This is for the people that have good personal credit. So startup businesses can get money with this credit line hybrid program. Let's drill down into there and see more about it. And if you came in late or anything, this is being recorded and will be on my YouTube channel tomorrow. Right? Okay, so this is the credit line hybrid program. You can get up to $150,000 in unsecured, no doc credit cards for your business, even when the banks say no. So this is something that you can offer. This stuff gets you paid, all right? Helping other people. And that's one thing, you have to have it in you to want to help people, right? So that's what I get out of this. I like to see businesses grow. So I want to give them the different options that they can, right? So on this particular page, you see, they gave me all this marketing material, and you will have access to this stuff as well. Okay, get a credit line hybrid today. Right here, there's a video. The video gives you a lot of detail on this particular program, how to qualify, all right? So a lot of times we got how to qualify, right? So you'll know with this particular program. So I'm not going to go over all the details, right? But this is something that you can offer your clients and get paid, all right? All right, so we're going to go back to the businesscreditbuilder.us, the business loans page. And we're just going to go down and just see the different things that we can offer, like accounts receivable financing, right? So that's for companies that have invoices they can batch and sell, right? Well, I don't know why that's like that. Okay. Equipment financing, merchant credit, business revenue financing, 401k plan financing, purchase order financing, commercial real estate financing, term loans, SBA loans. So we can offer all of these to your clients. Now, let me go on to David Allen Capital. This is the big one, okay? This is the big one. This is the ones you can make a lot of residual money. If in case you don't know what residual money is, that means you get a client today and then forever get money on their transactions, okay? So that you can get 2 years down the way, you can still get paid, all right? Now, David Allen Capital, they have an excellent way to train you. They do two webinars on Monday, 2 webinars on Fridays. You can always ask questions. They train you exactly on the stuff that they sell. David Allen Capital, for the most part, sells cash flow lending. Cash flow lending. They also have other business services that can help businesses, like the employee retention credit. Y'all got to research that. I'm not going to tell you what it is right now, but we don't have enough time. But employee retention credit, payment processing. That means for businesses that accept credit cards, we can process their credit card payments. Identity protection, we also sell. We sell the employee pay any day pay cards. You have to research this stuff, okay? I don't have much time, but there's a whole bunch of stuff in here, right? You get 3%, and they have a whole big plan, right? So I'm gonna, at the end of this, I'm gonna give you the link where to go to sign up for DAC, that David Allen Capital. Now, ROK Financial, they have equipment financing, term loans, line of credit, working capital, real estate, fix and flips type of loans, right? So if we can't get a business funding, then they can't qualify. Oh, excuse me, because we got all these different programs. Okay, we can get a business funding if they qualify, and if they can't qualify, we know how to get them qualified through building their business credit, and that's the most important thing: is have business credit. See, if you're an existing business, you already have business credit. You're supposed to anyway, because an existing business has expenses, and they will get those accounts and pay them on time. So it's like a built-in thing. If you're a successful business, you should already have business credit and have your business set up credible in the eyes of the lender. Okay. Now, for the business credit, you have to schedule a consult to sign up. All right. And I suggest everybody schedule a consult if you're interested in this, so I can tell you more, right? But for David Allen Capital and ROK, I can give you the link right now so you can get a jump start. And then you know, schedule your consult and catch up, and we talk, and we make sure you're on the straight path to getting money. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is go to get funding. I believe that's where I put that link at. Get funding. Oops, no, it's not there. Hold on, that's not it. Hold on, let's see where I put it. I might have put it on the business loans page. I got the links already set up so for you. Oh, you know where it is? It's on the partner page. You see at the top, partner. Go to the partner page. Here we go. So the partner page, right? So check out the partner page. It'll give you information that you need to know. And then if you slide down here, it'll say start now, schedule your appointment, right? That's the consult. And then it says quick start, right? And then you have the David Allen Capital logo, and you have the ROK Financial logo. If you click those little logos down there, it'll take you to where you can sign up, right? David Allen Capital, you get there's a video, right? There's 2 videos. There's a 3-minute video to see if you really like it. And then there's another video that goes into more explanation, okay? And if you go to that DAC, you sign up, you'll get all your links. You'll get your links for your own website. David Allen Capital, you get your own website. There's so much to this, I can't tell you in a couple minutes, right? But I do want you to have the knowledge of where to go to look this stuff up, right? You go to the ROK Financial, and you can sign up there. And for both of these, you get your own back office. Your back office is going to have all your training information, all the information that you need to be successful with this. Tried and tested techniques, okay? Does anybody got any questions? Okay, I'm gonna click on this DAC one, right? So here you start your own business, right? So there's 2 videos here. The one on the left here is it's a little 3-minute one, right? 3 minutes and 30 seconds, right? And this guy here, he's the owner of David Allen Capital. And so he's really good at explaining this stuff, okay? So I would suggest this is one of the first places you do. You schedule a consult, right? And you go check out this 3-minute video, okay? And then if you like what he says, then you check out this other video, which is about 40 minutes, okay? And you'll really get an understanding of the potential here, okay? So if you're looking for places to make more money, at least check it out, all right? It's worth the 3 minutes, all right? It's worth taking 3 minutes to do that, right? Now, if you go to the ROK logo, here we go, then you'll come to this page and you'll just sign up all this stuff and you'll get all the information that you need to become a partner, all right? And you'll get your own back office. You'll get flyers that you can put your own name on, all right? And that's like the white label, right? Okay, so this ROK Financial, I'm gonna tell you, when I started a year ago with ROK Financial, I made $3,000 in the next month and a half, okay? And I'm gonna say, this does take work. I mean, just organizing your stuff. Once you got it all set up, now it's time to go out and get people, right? So that's the hard part, getting the people that actually qualify for these loans. And then if they don't qualify for the loans, then we convince them to start building up their business credit, right? And I do these webinars all the time, right? That's how I circulate, right? Okay, anybody got any questions before we get out of here? Y'all know the website, businesscreditbuilder.us. Y'all can open up your mic if you got a question. Lakita, Sharon, Zoom user. Is there a fee? Good question, Sharon. There is absolutely no fee. Now, I had to pay a fee to do the business credit at the credit suite so that I can white label myself over there, right? But all these other stuff is absolutely free. And the one for the credit suite, I'm just hooking you up through me, right? So you don't have to pay for that one. We're going to work out a deal that, you know, make it happen, all right? We're going to make it happen, all right? All right? Because you got to have hunger. You got to have the drive, you know what I mean? You gotta have the gut feeling to go for it, right? Because it's all a risk, right? So if I'm gonna take a risk, I'm going all in. But I'm a evaluate the risk and know the risk before I go in. But once I'm in, I'm in.